Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks you for hopping in. We got a Maserati update. So when you have this car as long as I've had it, stuff starts to happen. It's good to know if you're gonna get one of these what could happen. So my tire pressure sensors all are gone. Now, just for context, it's been gone for a while because I can check my own tire pressure. But I said one day I was gonna do it. That day is today. I went to Maserati to find out what they would charge me for the 4 gauges and the labor or whatever. They wanted $2,800. I said, not gonna happen. So what I did was I set it away, I waited, and then I found someone who would be able to get me the parts. So I was actually able to get genuine tire pressure sensor parts. Boom! This is 2 of them. I got the other 2. So I'm actually going to be getting all 4 replaced. So this video is in case you're going to have all 4 of your tire pressure sensors, whatever, replaced. There's another piece they have to add. It's like I guess it's like a thing that sends a signal. I don't know. But they have to add that to all 4. So I'm going to see what the labor costs since I bought the part, and then the 4 parts that they have to add to it. And I'm gonna see what the final bill is. But what I am excited about is it's something that's more of an annoyance for me to look at when I drive, but it literally has nothing to do with the car. So honestly, you don't even need to do this if you don't have extra money. Like honestly, if you buy, I'll show you what I use. Literally what I've been using is a regular, this cost me $1, okay? Whenever the winter time comes and I'm out, and the pressure thing pops up, because it will pop up when it gets really low. I just run there, plug it in, and then I don't have it in front of me now, but I have an actual in-car, and I'll show you guys what I use to make sure wherever I go, I can always put pressure in the car. So yeah, so nonetheless, I'm gonna be doing that now. When you guys get a chance, if you have the same problem, just do what I do and save yourself some dollars. So we're about to hop over, take care of this now. See you guys in a second. When I come back, we're gonna talk the numbers. Peace. All right, we are back. Good news. It's actually a lot cheaper than I thought. So, the total came up to $576. I bought the parts myself, y'all know that. Labor was $360. I know, guys, don't kill me. $360, got it. The other parts that they needed just to connect the parts that I had came up to $160. Then there was some taxes of $44. So 2 sets of taxes. New York City, I tell you. But basically, yeah. And they did my full point check. And what I'm really excited about, as you guys can see here, no lights. No lights. Now there is another job that I have to do. You guys can't see it here, but see this big box back here? Another thing that happens after you've been driving for a while is the driver's seat. If you're using it a lot, the motor, in reference to your car seat moving back, forward, up, down, whatever, eventually will go, or it'll start acting up. So what I did is I didn't want to be in a situation where it didn't work and I didn't have the part. So I actually got the part back here, and I figure instead of letting it collect dust, I'm gonna have that part replaced too. And then, yeah, then after that, I'm pretty much done. And I'm just updating the car just because I love this car. You guys know that. And I'm working on a few other things. So that's what's going to cost you. If you're going to get your tire pressure sensors replaced, and you're going to come to Maserati and you're going to do it yourself with them, that's going to be the cost. Now, yes, could I have found another place and da-da-da? Yeah, but I ain't got the time for that, right? I'd rather just pay a couple bucks, know it was done right. It's in their system, so if anything were to happen, I can always come back. And they've been great in reference to giving me deals and working with me, so I'm on it. So appreciate you guys for checking in. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Peace.